Hello dear friends and followers, welcome back to my channel. I am your officer Aerospy and today we'll discuss what if aircraft get hacked. Do you know in 2016 a report came that Boeing 757 was hacked, which was parked at Atlantic City Airport in US, and hackers were succeeded in penetrating the system using some technical stuffs which could get through the security and without being insider help or being on board. So to discuss this topic, I am with you today and we'll learn something about the aircraft digital system and what we have to do or what we can do when aircraft get hacked. Without wasting time, let's begin. We know that global aviation is so much an updated network that air passengers are set to double to 10 billion in 2037 according to IATA. As everyone knows, as demand increases, the security risks are more. It is said that the aviation or aerospace industry is fifth most targeted sector for cyber attacks. I am not saying this, it's according to Cyber Threat Handbook. Before studying how hacking works, we must go through the digital system of an aircraft where most of the time the hackers can attack. Number 1. In-flight systems. Entertainment system and Wi-Fi systems are the key points where hackers can attack because data can be souped up simply as your bookings, contacts, schedules, documents, etc. But Wi-Fi system is an external provider who has to take care of its security. Number 2. Electronic flight bag. These are the digital systems used by pilots to go through and carry manuals. Since manuals and papers may get bulky, they use iPads, tabs or onboard computers to access information. This may be the secondary target. So, to avoid from being hacked, pilots are not allowed to connect themselves with others once they are airborne. And pilots are not allowed to connect their flight bag with an onboard Wi-Fi system or with any other advanced digital system which is on aircraft. Number 3. Onboard control system. For example, navigation systems, flight control systems. So it is very difficult to hack, but even though done, pilot and operator receive signals of system malfunctioning and FMC software is always updated and constantly checked, monitored and updated to avoid being hacked. Number 4. ATC and airports. These are ground-based systems, easy to hack than moving aircraft. For example, if radar system is shut down, ATC turns to procedural navigation, separation of aircrafts, but it is very slower way. Even though the ATC takedown to holding stack gets separated them by 1000 feet and then by time and distance separation they reach contact certain point, then second the aircraft can start approaching and so on. Radio communication, there is a separate one-to-one commune through international radio frequency if hacked. That could be accessed or aircraft could just hand it over to a separate unit that can handle the approach. So if something happens on ground, soon the pilot notices it and something stops working, the pilot can go back to crew rooms, print the paper back, maps, charts and use them. If worse becomes the pilot or have all the data required to fly safely inside flight management computer, that is FMC. If ground stations are hacked like lights on runways, PAPI lights, NAVAIDS, pilots get easy flags that the system is not working proper and being alert, they simply divert the flight using reserve fuel carried. No physical system can be connected between the entertainment system and the aircraft control system. So, nothing to worry when you are on board because we engineers and pilots are always ready to make sure our passengers travel safe. So, meet you up in the next video with one more interesting topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye.